Good morning, Group 2, and it is Tuesday morning, and we are doing some more subtraction. But today we're moving on to 4-digit numbers. So we know about ones, don't we? So there we go, there's our ones. There's our tens. So it's 10 ones, which is the same as 110. And then we've got our hundreds, because that's 10 times 10, which is 100. And then we've got this. So how many of those are in this? Well, let's say how many of these hundreds are in this block, this cube. So there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's actually 10 lots of 100 in this. So that would be 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. So 10 lots of 100 equals 1,000. Okay, so we're going to start off with our in focus today, and it says, I think that's Ruby, I have £5,280 with me. Now, after Ruby spent £3,169, how much was left? So that's what she has to begin with. Then she goes shopping and she spends this much. So how much has she got left? Well, let's look at that as a bar model. So this is the amount of money she's got. £5,280. And this is how much she spent, 3,169. So we need to find out how much has she got left over. So what can we do with these two numbers? So we obviously need to subtract, don't we? So there's our biggest number. That's how much she's got. And she's taking away how much she has spent. And there's our calculation. So how are we going to do that? Okay, so let's just look at that first number, which I've represented here with these place value counters. So we can see there's our thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our hundreds. 200. How many tens have we got? 8. So that'll be 80. And how many ones? Nothing. Okay, so let's just write that out. So we've got 5,200, 8 tens, and no ones. 5,280. So we can see there we've got 5,200, 8 tens, and no ones. So 5,280. Okay, so that's how much she had with her, and this is how much she spent, 3,169. So we need to find the difference. How much is 3,169 less than 5,280? So you can see, first of all, this is our first calculation. So we start from the right. I've got nothing. I've got 0. Nothing. And I need to take away £9 from nothing. Nothing. Take away 9. We can't do, can we? Okay. So what are we going to have to do? So we need to go next door into our tens column, don't we? And we need to take a 10. So I'm going to take a 10. So we did have 8 tens. And now I'm left with 7 tens. So I just want to kind of show that as in how many ones that is. So we can see there we've exchanged that 10 for 10 ones. Okay? So we took that 10 over here and we exchanged it for 10 ones, which is 10. Okay, so now we've got 10 take away, no, sorry, 10 take away 9. So I'm just going to take away 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I know 1 add 9 is 10, 9 add 1 is 10. So if I did 10 take away 9, that would equal 1. So I'm left with 1. Now, if I did that before, if I did it on here, we had 8 tens, and then we were left with 7 tens. And then we put that 10, we exchanged it for a 10, and that now left us with 10, take away 9 equals 1. Okay, now we're left with 7 tens, take away 6 tens. Okay, so I need to take away 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 take away 6 is 1. Or you could have just found the difference, say 6 add what equals 7. 6 add 1 equals 7. So your answer would be 1. Now we've got 200s and we need to take away 100. So here we go, take 100 away, and what we're left with? 1. We're left with 100. So 2, take away 1 equals 1. And then lastly, we have 500s. Sorry, not hundreds, they're thousands, 5,000s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we need to take away 3,000s. So in other words, it's 5 subtract 3. So 5, 4, 3, 2. Or start with 3, 4, and 5. So the answer is 2. And there we have it. So our answer would be Ruby has £2,111 left to spend.